मॉर्निंग एवरीबॉडी। आज हम लोग देखने वाले हैं अनदर ब्लॉग जो क्वेश्चन की है। ऑब्जेक्टिव कोरिलेटिव क्वेनर, हु इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव कोरिलेटिव क्वेनर? टी.एस. एलियट। गाइनोक्रिटिसिज्म क्वेनर, एलिन सो एल्टर। इंटरटेक्चुअलिटी क्वेनर आपकी है जूलिया क्रिस्टिवा। एपोरिया इन डिकंस्ट्रक्शन, हु एपोरिया इज फाउंड इन डिकंस्ट्रक्शन, हु इज द क्वेनर? जैक्स डेरिडा। हेजेमोनी कॉन्सेप्ट एंटोनियो ग्रास में। Interpretive communities Quainer, Stanley Fish. 7 types of ambiguity authors, William Emerson. Practical criticism, I.A. Richards. The Great Tradition author is F.R. Lewis. The Mirror and Lamp, M.H. Abraham. Intentional fallacy Quainer, Wimsatt and Beardsley. Pathetic fallacy, John Ruskin. Egotistical sublime, used for Wordsworth, written by negative captibility, Shakespeare. Touchstone method, Matthew Arnold. Death of the author essay is Ronald Barthes. Of grammatology, authors Jacques Derrida. Orientalism, author Edward Said. Hybridity and mimicry, coiner Homi Bhabha. Subaltern studies, pioneer Gayatri Sipwick. Archaeology of knowledge, author Michael Foucault. Panopticon metaphor user Michael Foucault. General rebel Judith Butler. Second sex Simon de Weber. Sexual politics Kate Millett. Écriture politics, écriture famine Helen Sinus. Mad Woman in the Attic Gilbert and Gubar. Simulacra and simulation Jean Baudrillard. Grand narrative coiner Jean Francisco Lyotard. Postmodern condition author Lyotard. Thick description Clifford Geertz. Language and parole Ferdinand de Saussure. Signifier and signified de Saussure. Competence and performance Noam Chomsky. Synthetic structures Noam Chomsky. Universal grammar concept Noam Chomsky. Speech act theory J.L. Austin. Politeness principle Geoffrey Leach. Cooperative principle author Paul Grice. Rasa theory foundational work Natya Shastra. Dhavini theory Anandavardhan. Waprodki school author Kuntaka. Achutya school author Kasmendra. Riti school author Bamna. Natya Shastra Bhatramuni. Avinav Bharti commentator Avinav Gupta. The Vyan Aloka authors Anandavardhan. Kavya Darshan author Dandin. Kavya Lamkara authors Bhamacha. Uses of literacy author Richard Hoggard. Culture and society author Raymond Williams. Culture materialism for author Raymond Williams. New historicism Stephen Greenbelt. Prison notebooks author Antonio Gramsci. Encoding decoding model Stuart Hall. Resistance through rituals Stuart Hall. Mythologies author Ronald Barthes. Long revision author Raymond Williams. Renaissance self-fashioning Stephen Greenbelt. Faultiness author Alan Seinfeld. The political unconscious author Frederick Jameson. Aura concept author Walter Benjamin. Distantification Bertolt Brecht. Defamiliarization author Viktor Shklovsky. Carnivalesque concept Mikhail Bakhtin. Dialogism author Mikhail Bakhtin. Heterotopia author Michael Foucault. Episteme author Michael Foucault. Mirror stage author Jacques Lacan. Imaginary, symbolic and real author Lacan, Jacques Lacan. Jouissance author Ronald Barthes. Architect author Gerard Genetti. Anatomy of criticism Northrop Fryer. Mimesis author Heinrich Feuerbach. The Hidden God Lucien Goldman. The Verbal Icon W.K. Wimsatt. The well-browed earn author Clean Brooks, Seven Types of Ambiguity author William Ampson, The Hero with a Thousand Faces Joseph Campbell, Archetypal Pattern in Poetry Maud Bodkin, The Rise of the Novel Ian Watt, Fiction and Unconscious author Simon Lesser, The Implied Reader author Wolfgang Ischer, Interpretive Community Stanley Fish, The Act of Reading author Wolfgang Ischer, Origin of Expectation author H.R. Joss, Strategic Essentialism Gayatri Sitwik, The Location of Culture author Homi Bhabha. Nation and Narration author Homi Bhabha. Can the Subaltern Speaks Gayatri Sitwik, the twice born fiction author Meenakshi Mukherjee. Thank you for overall that you have given so much time. Thank you everybody.